Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. Today I have a meal prep video for you. I'm going to be sharing you my recipes that I'm eating this week, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All of these recipes are plant-based and they are budget-friendly, which is really important to a lot of people right now. A lot of people are out of work because of the quarantine and all the COVID stuff going on, so budget-friendly vegan meals are very important right now. So let's hop right into it.
So let's hop right into breakfast. I'm adding some just egg into a non-stick skillet, and I'm adding the entire bottle. I'm seasoning it with some sea salt, some black pepper, and garlic powder. And as it heats up, I begin to mix it, and it's going to scramble like an egg. This stuff is so good, and it tastes just like eggs. Once that was done, I added some Brussels sprouts onto a sheet pan. I just sliced them and added some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Baked them until they were golden brown. Once they came out of the oven, I added some sweet chili sauce to them. I'm telling you, this is my favorite way to make Brussels sprouts. It's so good. You can also use duck sauce. I added some peppers and onions into a skillet. I added some salt and pepper. Once it cooked down, I added some minced garlic. Then I removed it from the pan and I added some Yukon Gold potatoes that I sliced up. And I didn't slice them too thick. I want it to be a little thin, like medium, I guess. Added some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Poured a little bit of water in. You don't want to submerge them. You just want it to be enough so that it can steam. And I let that cook down until the potatoes were tender. Once it was done and all the water was absorbed, I added the peppers and onions back into the potato mixture. And now I'm portioning out my breakfast for the week. And I love to eat this with sriracha, it's so good. For lunch, I made some veggie fajitas. I'm adding some onions and peppers into a skillet. And feel free to use water if you don't want to use oil. I'm adding my chopped broccoli, and I'm just letting that cook down. I had some mushrooms already cooked, so I added that in, and some frozen corn. I also added some minced garlic. I'm adding this packet of fajita seasoning and some lime juice. And I ate this throughout the week with corn tortillas, and I also ate it with rice. I like to eat this with guacamole and plant-based sour cream and sriracha. For dinner, I made zucchini lasagna. So I took the shortcut, I sauteed some onion, and now I'm adding this jarred spaghetti sauce into a skillet. 1 tablespoon of sugar and a few dashes of hot sauce, and I just let it cook down on low heat until I prepared everything else. I sauteed some mushrooms and I just added some salt and pepper. Very simple. For the tofu ricotta, I'm adding 1.5 blocks of firm tofu into a food processor. You can use extra firm as well. 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 1 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 cup of fresh basil, and that's it. Now I'm slicing the zucchini with the mandolin, and I also let the zucchini sit on a paper towel for about 30 minutes to drain the water out, or you can just squeeze as much out as you can. You don't have to, but there will be some water in the pan when you're ready to eat it, so it is recommended. I'm adding a little bit of spaghetti sauce into a casserole dish, and I'm lining the zucchini at the bottom. If your zucchini breaks, it's perfectly fine. You can just layer them on top of one another. Next is the ricotta, then the mushrooms. More spaghetti sauce, and then I just repeated this. Towards the end, I added some vegan cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and I baked this at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. This will also be really good with eggplant if you don't want to use zucchini. And I'm topping it with some vegan Parmesan cheese, and that is my meal prep for the week.
I shouldn't be eating this right now because this is my meal prep for this week. It's supposed to be starting tomorrow, but this zucchini lasagna looks so good. This is also a really good low carb recipe. Not that I'm afraid of carbs or anything, but I wanted to try something different and get more veggies in. And it's so easy to make. So easy. Especially if you're not making this sauce from scratch. You just buy jarred tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye!